We have been fantasizing about aliens for such a long time that they have finally come back to visit us at the end of this sprint. Are you excited about their arrival? Well, at least they did not come mid sprint, otherwise, that would have caused a havoc. Am I right? Hi everyone, my name is Clyde D'Souza, and in this video, we'll take a look at a Miro template, a Miro retrospective template that I put together called Retrospective Aliens. This template is available on Miroverse, which is a site where you'll find heaps of community uploaded templates, community uploaded Miro templates that you can click and copy to your account and just use it right off the shelf. I will put a link to this Miro template in the description of this video. But for now, let's quickly walk through this retrospective template. All right, so the first one is a trip of a lifetime. Would you trade 15 years on Earth for a 2-week trip with an alien to the ends of the universe? Now that's a chilling icebreaker, isn't it? Get your team to add a sticky note on whether they would or they wouldn't, and also mention why, their reasoning behind it. Now, the second section is a helping hand. Rumors are that these aliens have visited Earth before and have helped us build magnificent structures like the pyramids. Like it or not, let's just reflect on what went well during the last sprint. And for the third section, but what if? Now, there are also other theories that once this portal to extraterrestrial life opens up, some unfriendly aliens will escape into our reality. And if that happens, that wouldn't go down very well. But hey, that's a what if. But for now, let's just reflect on what didn't go well during the last sprint and add some notes about it. So that was it, a very quick, simple retrospective. When you copy this retrospective, you'll get the template as well as an example here down below. Don't forget to lock the items, lock these images once you've copied it across so that they don't move around once you start using this template. In terms of the page itself, there are a few buttons here. You can like this template by clicking on this button. You can share this template by clicking on this button. Share it with your friends, network, family. And do tag me in some of these posts. My links to these social media handles are down below. And then of course the most important button is the use template button. If you do want to use this template, click on this button and Miro will automatically duplicate this Miro board into your account, so you have your own personal copy of this Miro board, and then you can use it as per your convenience. The rest of it is just description that we have already been through. And of course, once again, the link to this Miro template will be in the description of this video. That's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Happy retrospective. And of course, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And stay tuned for more videos to come on this channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching.